I'm Dr. Narita, a men's health specialist with 12 years of clinical experience, and I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and even 70s rebuild their vitality naturally. I'm not here to lecture. I'm here to help you understand your body the way a doctor should explain it. Because here's the key truth. Your body still remembers exactly how to perform like it used to. It just needs the right signals to wake it up again. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful 7-step morning ritual that resets your testosterone, sharpens your mind, and brings back that unstoppable morning energy. Simple, free, and completely natural. And here's the best part. The final physical move, which I'll reveal at the end, is an ancient secret that ties everything together, activating your core strength and keeping your power flowing all day long. Stay with me till the end. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, how do your mornings feel right now, dragging or charged? I want to know because by the end of this conversation, your answer will change. And while you're commenting, please like and subscribe to help us spread this message of natural power. Most men resign themselves to feeling tired, losing energy, or experiencing weaker erections, assuming it's just the cost of getting older. But let me tell you something, it's not just age, it's chemistry. Your body runs on a precise system of hormones, circulation, and nerve signals. When one slows down, everything else follows. After age 50, testosterone drops about 1% a year. This means less muscle, slower metabolism, lower drive, and an unhealthy increase in fat-storing estrogen. And it's not just hormones. Your blood flow changes too. The vessels that carry oxygen everywhere, including to the tissues responsible for performance, start to stiffen. Less nitric oxide, NO, means less circulation. That's why those morning erections fade. It's not about desire, it's about blood. You are still capable, but your system needs a reset. Think of it like a sports car with a clogged engine. The power is still there. You just need to clean the pipes and wake the engine up again. The good news? You can fix this naturally. Your body is biologically wired to restore itself. It just needs those right signals through simple daily habits that flip your hormonal switch back on. That's what today's 7-step routine is designed to do, starting the very moment you open your eyes. These 7 steps are built to reset your system from the inside out, tackling the root causes of fatigue and decline, poor liver function, unbalanced hormones, restricted circulation, and poor metabolic health. They are designed to be done before your first meal or your first coffee, capitalizing on your body's naturally receptive state upon waking. Hydration, reset, wake up the liver. Light signal, reset the hormone clock. Breath work, boost, NO, and circulation. Timing, reset the metabolism. Gratitude, lower cortisol. Visualization, reset the mindset. Grounding, activate core energy, and T. Let's dive into the first 3 crucial steps you can do tomorrow morning, starting with the simplest one that changes everything. Before you touch that coffee mug, pause. The first thing your body needs isn't caffeine. It's a simple, ancient elixir. Step number 7, lemon water first, the liver activator. The biology. When you wake up, your liver has been working all night, flushing waste and balancing hormones. Drinking filtered water with a slice of fresh lemon tells it, time to clean house. The citric acid activates detoxification enzymes, and the compound naringenin helps your body process hormones like testosterone more efficiently. The emotional impact. Starting the day with clean fuel gives you an immediate feeling of less bloat, sharper focus, and internal clarity. It's your first win of the day. You're choosing balance over burnout. The practical fix? Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of filtered water. Take slow sips before you check your phone. Step number 6, early sunlight exposure, the hormone reset. The best supplement for your testosterone is free, and it's called sunrise. The biology. The first 5 to 10 minutes after waking are golden. Stepping outside and letting that early light hit your eyes and skin, no sunglasses, tells your brain the day has begun. This shuts down melatonin and triggers a gentle, natural rise in cortisol. This morning cortisol spike is what signals your body's testosterone production to kick in, setting your entire hormonal rhythm for the day. The emotional impact. When you fix your light rhythm, you fix your hormone rhythm. You'll notice better sleep at night and a natural feeling of drive and alertness in the morning. The practical fix. While drinking your lemon water, step outside. Feel the light and warmth on your skin. That's your second win, your free natural hormone reset. Step number 5, alternate nostril breathing, the NO booster. This simple 2-minute breathing exercise is one of the fastest ways to raise the compound that keeps your blood vessels open and your flow strong. The biology, alternate nostril breathing, inhale one side, hold, exhale the other, is an ancient technique that science now shows raises your nitric oxide, NO, levels naturally. NO is the gas your blood vessels use to relax and open up. More, NO, means better circulation, lower blood pressure, and improved oxygen flow, especially to the vital organs that depend on it. The emotional impact. This practice calms your nervous system, drops excess cortisol, and fosters a calmer mind and stronger focus. I've seen men in their 60s sleep better and perform better just by adding this 2-minute ritual. The practical fix: sit up straight. Close one nostril, inhale slowly, switch, exhale slowly. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Feel the warmth and clarity. Step number 4, delay breakfast, the metabolic flex, the biology. Most men eat too early. When you roll out of bed and eat right away, especially something sugary, you cut off your body's natural fat-burning cycle. When you push breakfast back a few hours, intermittent fasting, your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat. Burning belly fat is crucial because excess fat converts testosterone into estrogen, burn the fat, and your hormones rebalance naturally. The emotional impact. This shift, metabolic flexibility, leads to tighter midsections, more stable energy, no afternoon crash, and stronger drive. It's optimization, not deprivation. The practical fix: just delay your first meal until around 10 or 11 a.m. Hydrate, move a little, and let your metabolism wake up fully. Step number 3, practice gratitude, the cortisol regulator. This may sound too simple, but it is one of the most powerful things you can do to lower the stress hormone that actively blocks testosterone. The biology. Gratitude literally changes your brain chemistry. Taking a minute to write down 3 things you're grateful for releases dopamine and serotonin, feel-good chemicals, while actively lowering cortisol. Lower cortisol means less stress, blocking your natural testosterone production. The emotional impact. Gratitude puts your nervous system in a rest and repair state, which is exactly when T production kicks in naturally. Confident men are often grateful men. The practical fix. Grab a small notebook. Write down 3 things you appreciate. Send a quick text to someone you care about. Feel the shift from stress to calm. Step number 2, power visualization, the confidence recalibrator, the biology. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you picture yourself strong, energized, and confident, your brain releases the same performance-driving hormones, dopamine, acetylcholine, as if you were actually succeeding. The emotional impact. You are not pretending. You are reminding your brain of who you are underneath the stress and fatigue. This rewires your internal image, leading to a sense of being younger, sharper, and magnetically confident. The practical fix: close your eyes for 60 seconds. Take a deep breath, see yourself standing taller, moving with power, and thinking clearly. Step number 1, the horse stance, the root energy activation. This final, ancient physical move ties together your breath, your strength, and your circulation right at the core of male energy. The biology. The horse stance involves standing with feet wider than shoulders, knees bent, like sitting on an invisible horse, and back straight. This position significantly increases blood flow to the pelvis, strengthens the pelvic floor, and stimulates the muscles responsible for posture and sexual performance. It's one of the fastest ways to boost T naturally by activating the root of masculine strength and balance. The emotional impact. Do this for 2 minutes. You'll feel grounded, alive, and powerful. It's about restoring that connection between your breath, muscle, and focus that most men lose with age. The practical fix. Hold the stance for 2 minutes every morning right after your visualization. Gently swing your arms back and forth, loose and relaxed. You now have the full reverse aging morning routine for men over 60. 7 simple habits that, when combined, reset your hormones, restore your circulation, and reignite your confidence. Your plan: lemon water, wake the liver; sunlight, reset the hormone clock; breathing, boost; NO, delay breakfast, fire up tea production; gratitude, lower stress, cortisol; visualization, recalibrate the mind; horse stance, activate core power. These aren't tricks. They are the foundation of male health, science meeting habit. Do them consistently for 1 week and you'll feel the shift. Do them for a month and you'll see the change in your energy, focus, and performance. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean mastery. Your body can still respond like it did in your prime. It just needs the right rhythm. So here is my challenge to you. Before tomorrow morning, set a reminder and commit to the first 3 steps: water, sunlight, and breathing. Comment below and tell me you're in. Remember, your health is not just about living longer. It's about living stronger. Every sunrise is another chance to rebuild that power.